This guide shows you what to do if you're unable to install Amazon Silk, the web browser, on your Fire TV Stick or your Fire TV Cube. You might be getting the message saying web browser app is currently unavailable. More details coming up. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these three things will help us make more great videos for you. So, as I say, some users have had problems installing the web browser Silk on their Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Cube. When they try to install it from the App Store, you get a message saying Amazon Silk web browser app is currently unavailable. But this video shows you a way of getting around that and installing it directly from the Amazon App Store. So let's just try first of all. I mean, on mine it is installing okay. So this is the official method of installing Silk, the browser. So you open up your device, go to the main home menu and then go to the magnifying glass and just go down to search, middle button, and type the word Silk. And then you should see comes up under the suggestions there, Silk browser. So highlight Silk browser, middle button, and then you're looking for this green and white internet there. So you press the middle button on the remote control, and this is at the point where some people do get the message that web browser app is currently unavailable, or when they press the middle button to start downloading or installing it. So what do you do if you get this particular message? Well, what you need to do is you need to hop onto your computer or your mobile phone or your tablet and log into the Amazon website using the details that you've logged into your Fire TV Stick with. So it must be the same Amazon account. So I'm just going to go over to my laptop right now. Okay, so I'm on my laptop. I've gone to the Amazon web page and I've logged in, like I say, to the same account that I've used to log into my Fire TV Stick with when I first set it up. So I'm just going to go up to the search bar at the top there, click into it, and I'm just going to type Silk browser. Okay, and as I type it in, there you go, it suggests it down there, but just click on the magnifying glass there or click on a suggestion, and then we're looking for this here, this blue and white internet there, with underneath it's got Amazon Silk web browser. So click on that. Okay, and then we've got here deliver to, and it asks us where do we want to deliver it to, either the cloud only or the Fire TV. Well, my Fire TV is called Chris's Fire TV, so I'm going to select Chris's Fire TV. So select whatever name you gave to your Fire TV Stick and then click on deliver, and there we go. So it says the app was successfully sent to your device, Amazon Silk web browser. You have not been charged for this app. So it says, where's my app? Automatic delivery. The app should appear on the devices below within a few moments. So it says there, Chris's Fire TV Stick. If it doesn't, it says how to install manually. To get the purchased app onto your compatible devices, follow the instructions below. So let's just click on how to install manually in case it doesn't appear. So it says here, Fire TV, go to settings, my account, and select sync Amazon content. Go to apps library to download and install the app from the cloud. Launch the app once download complete. So okay, then let's just do that. I'm going to go back to the Fire TV Stick then. So here we are, I'm back to the Fire TV Stick, and let's do what it said if it hadn't downloaded, because I'm not sure if it's downloaded. I haven't had a look for it, but let's just do this anyway, just to make sure that it's there. So we go to settings, okay, and then it says go to my account. Well, there's not a my account on there, so that's wrong. So what we need to do is we need to go to account and profile settings. So let's just go into that. And then we need to go down to sync Amazon content. There we go. So make sure that's highlighted. Middle button on the remote, and there you go. So it says synchronize your purchased Amazon content. Now, we didn't purchase it, it was free, but for all intents and purposes, Amazon, when you get a free app, they call it a purchase. But anyway, so let's go back to the main menu there, and I'm just going to press and hold the home button on the remote control. Keep it held down until this appears, then go across to apps, middle button on the remote, And there you go, internet has now appeared. We've actually sent it directly from the Amazon website to our Fire TV device. Now, not only should this work for Silk Browser, but if you've got problems with other apps installing on the Fire TV Stick or the Cube, then you can always try this method too. Hopefully that will help you get it installed. So there you go. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, why not stick around? Have a look through my YouTube channel. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of subjects. Hopefully you're going to find something to educate you, entertain you, amuse you, and maybe even save you some money. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech, and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.